Hey, how's it going? Today we're taking a look at the Batman Forever Batmobile. This is from the Val Kilmer movie that came out, I believe, in 1995. I remember when this came out, I was a huge Batman fan. Still a huge Batman fan. This is the one with Poison Ivy and Bane and Jim Carrey as the Riddler. I don't think people really like this movie that much, but I think from that era, I loved it as a kid. It might be worth a rewatch. I don't know. It's been a while. Anyways, let's take a look at this thing. This, I'll give a little bit of the lore of the movies, I guess. So, the 1989 Batman with, sorry, I just blew it. Michael Keaton and Jack Nicholson that had the Joker. That was supposed to be the first one in Tim Burton's Batman's, or it was the first one. It was supposed to be the first one of four. 1992 Batman came out, also had Michael Keaton as Batman. It had Michelle Pfeiffer as Catwoman and Danny DeVito as the Penguin. That one was supposed to be, or was number 2 in the series. Number 3 was supposed to also be directed by Tim Burton and have Michael Keaton as Batman, but they said it was too dark, so they switched up. I think that was Joel Schumacher. Become more of like a campy movie. Robin was in it, and then George Clooney famously was Batman in the 4th movie of the installment. Those are the Batmans that I grew up on, though, so I am a little bit partial to them. Anyways, let's get back to taking a look at these cars here. This is a very cool Batmobile, in my opinion. It looks awesome. So this one is the one I just opened. It's all metal, has a metal base, rubber tires. It's really cool that it has these Batman logo tires, and it just looks nice. But I have a problem with this one. So this came out recently as a mainline version. I don't know when. Let's see if the date on the bottom will get us close. Looks like 2022. So this either came out in the 22 or 23 mainline. This one is plastic on top. There's a metal. Now, man, this is weird. Okay, the shiny black part is metal. The rest of it is plastic. So it's a plastic base. I mean, it's pretty cool. This is cool for a $1 car. The other ones, this one I basically just bought to complain about, honestly. But they did this much better already. So they did this, I don't know when this came out, but this is from the 100% Hot Wheels line. And this one is phenomenal. Now, it's not all metal. It's a lot of plastic. The base is metal. But it's just way, way more detailed. Let's look at this detail on the front. I think it's a lot closer to what was actually in the movie than these other two. Has a clear plastic window, so you can see in the cockpit there. It's the humongous wing, as it did in the movie, and the humongous wings over the fenders. The rocket booster on the back is a lot bigger. It's just a lot better overall, in my opinion. I don't know. I think you can probably still get these on eBay. Haven't looked in a while, but anyways, there you have it. I dropped the other one on the floor, but that is the Batman Forever Batmobile from Hot Wheels. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos and have a great day.